Hi, here are 3 reasons why you should do a work camp in Serbia this summer. First, your contribution really matters to the local community. Second, you will try a lot of delicious food. And third, you will be in touch with the local community, so you will meet the real Serbia. Hope to see you this summer there. Bye.
Festivals, environmental protection, work in the classified historical sites. Come and participate in an adventure by joining one of our work camps in France. There are many projects to live a great and unique French experience.
Hi guys, I am Janelle, a local volunteer for the South African Volunteer Work Camp Association. I look forward to meeting you guys and helping you guys learn more about our culture.
Do you want to find out what a real German lifestyle is? Make a contribution to the local community? Improve your language skills? And have a lot of fun this summer? Then apply for one of our work camps and come to Germany. We are waiting for you.
Come to Germany. We have amazing landscapes, super nice people, and you will have a lot of fun.
Hi, I'm Christina from Estes, and I invite you to join our work camps here in Estonia.
Hi there. If you want to have a life-changing experience while contributing to many great causes and meeting amazing people on the way and getting to know the Catalan culture, join our work camps. See you in Catalonia this summer.
Salut! Join Companion Pagisong Belgium summer work camps if you want to get involved into environmental projects and learn about migration.
And join if you want to know people from abroad, if you want to know more about asylum seekers' reality, and if you want to work in amazing nature.
Welcome till Islands. In these camps you will get to explore Iceland and make friends from all over the world.
It will be a hands-on experience that will improve your geography skills and raise your environmental awareness. Check our website and social media to learn more. We are waiting for you.
Hello, my name is Regina. I am from Ukraine and I am doing a European volunteer service in IKEA, Germany. I am a placement officer and I will be happy to place you in one of our international work.
Come and find yourself in the ocean of adventure in Slovakia. You will discover new people and a new country.
Namaste. Are you looking for lifetime rewarding experience? If yes, you are at the right place. Get involved in WIN's long-term, midterm work and volunteering projects, where you can experience, learn, and also explore this ancient city of Nepal.
Hi, it's Lunaria team, and you can join our work camp
because it's a good opportunity to make new friends,
to know about the Italian culture. So vi
aspettiamo!
Greetings from the Czech Republic. I am Nicole from INEX SDA, and I would like to invite you to join our projects this summer. This year we prepared truly diverse offer of more than 30 projects for you to choose from, so don't hesitate and apply.